Hi, I wanted to talk about my experience with the Green Renovation Group located in Tarzana. We live in Studio City. We Earlier this year we were looking for someone who could remodel our bathrooms. I believe our bathrooms were probably not worked on for several years, probably decades. So we wanted to remodel them and bring it up to date. So the project basically entailed pretty much gutting down all everything in the bathroom and replacing it with new shower head, new plumbings, new sink, new shower, pretty much everything from scratch. Started looking for contractors in the area, came across Green Renovation. Matter of fact, a close friend of mine had worked with Green Renovation before and had mentioned and had said good things about David and the group. So I invited David and also a few other contractors during the time to give quotes. Uh, David came in. My first meeting with David went pretty good. He came in, he measured, inspected the bathrooms, took measurements, and came back with a quote in a few days. In hindsight, I think the quote which he gave and where we landed finally was pretty close. So it didn't really go over what it was initially quoted, and the initial quote was pretty detailed, which was very helpful. Uh, During the course of the project, the teams that came in, we had several teams coming in who worked on the plumbing, the electricals, the painting, the flooring. Everyone who came in were pretty proactive, pretty experts at their job, and did a great job. If I were to give this as a Yelp review, I would definitely give them 5 on 5 stars. Hope that helps. Thank you.